The Niger Delta environment is made up of coastal barrier islands, mangrove swamp forests, freshwater swamps and lowland rainforests. This rich region, however, according to a UNEP report, is on the verge of losing over 40% of its inhabitable terrain in the next 30 years, as a result of the effects of the oil industry, with a sizable part of the area severely damaged by oil spills. Delta State accounts for many citizens from the oil-bearing communities in the Niger Delta. A very disturbing development is the burning of crude oil into the natural environment from the destruction of artisanal refineries by security agencies, exacerbating land, air and water pollution.
So with that introduction, let me just start.
The effects of such pollution is what this conference is all about.
It is not just an environmental issue. It is not just the threat to our livelihood. It is not just an issue of human rights. It is all of these issues combined and more.
Other speakers at the conference advised that even though security agencies must perform their duties, they should also put into consideration the underlying conditions that encourage illegal refineries.
When such sites that are being used for illegal refineries have been identified, they should be secured and cordoned up by the military.
Security officials present will not relent in their quest to discharge their duties, but ask that the campaign should be geared towards the illegal activities of oil bunkers.
I have always made sure that there is sustainable synergy and interagency collaboration between my officers and other sister agencies, including the military. These positions cannot be compromised. This synergy, coupled with community partnership theory, has yielded significant positive results in the fight against crime and criminality, including environmental degradation orchestrated by the reckless and illegal activities of oil bunkers and other forms of pollutants.
At the end of the day, it's hoped that discussions from this forum will help build enduring cross-sectoral partnerships and collaborations needed to collectively address the challenges.
We've been operating